Where among the following will you find pitcher plant? Pitcher plant, it is an insectivorous plant. It has an insect capturing structure like this. It has an insect capturing structure like this. It is a leaf modification. Insect capturing structure of a that is pitcher plant. It is called Nepenthes. In Nepenthes, the leaf is modified into an insect capturing structure called pitcher. Insect capturing structure called pitcher. It has a small opening and a lid. When the insect enters into it, it closes it. So this portion of the plant also modified into a coiled, spirally coiled structure. The tip is modified into a pitcher. It is a native of rainforest of northeastern India. It is common in northeastern India, a tropical rainforest of northeastern India.